Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel World Car Info. Today we are going to review one of the most popular compact sedans in the market, Toyota Yaris. Introduction. Toyota Yaris is known for its stylish design, fuel efficiency, and Toyota's legendary reliability. It is a perfect car for daily city driving, as well as long journeys. Exterior design. The Toyota Yaris comes with a modern and elegant exterior. It features sleek front grille, sharp LED headlights, body-colored door handles, aerodynamic shape for better performance. Overall, the car looks premium and sporty. New interior and comfort. Inside the cabin, Toyota Yaris offers comfortable fabric or leather seats, spacious legroom, modern dashboard design, touchscreen infotainment system, steering-mounted controls. The interior is designed to give a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Engine and performance. Toyota Yaris is available with V1.3 petrol engine, 5L petrol engine. It offers smooth acceleration, quiet engine performance, excellent fuel average. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and family users. The fuel efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of Toyota Yaris is its fuel economy. It delivers an average of around 14 to 18 km per liter, depending on driving conditions. The safety features. Toyota Yaris comes with important safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, hill start assist, rear parking sensors. Safety is a top priority in this car. New price and value. Toyota Yaris offers great value for money with low maintenance cost and strong resale. Value, making it a smart long-term investment. Final verdict. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient and comfortable sedan, Toyota Yaris is definitely worth considering. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel World Car Info. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.